How can you unpause the Apple Watch? Let's talk about it. If this is your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe, and that way you will not miss anything important. So, for example, you might mean that the Apple Watch just pauses the workout, right? So it might happen that you just go ahead and see that your workout gets paused either manually by you, so you can just click on or slide to the left and click on pause to make sure that the workout continues. That's one way to do this, or you can also use the both button press. So if you don't have like the screenshot option enabled, you can just do this gesture and like pressing the physical buttons, and it will unpause the workout as well. But the most important part is that this might be even set up to be automatic. So inside of the watch the watch app on the iPhone, you can get inside the settings for individual apps and find the workouts. There are more things you might need to look at, but the most important one is the press to pause, which I mentioned at the beginning, right? So it is the pausing or resuming workout by pressing the side button and a digital crown at the same time. So you might need to decide if you want to have it enabled or not, but also the automatic pausing, right? So you would find it right here. It is the auto pause. And if you have it enabled, right, if you stop like working out, and the Apple Watch will sense it through the sensors, it might just pause the workout on its own. And if you don't want that to be happening, just toggle off the unpause, and it's just not going to be the case anymore. So I would really appreciate your support and like your thoughts in the comment section. Just let me know if you managed to fix it or set it up according to your preferences. So let me know what's really going on. Subscribe for more upcoming videos and tutorials like this one, and I'll see you later. So stay tuned, and I'll see you then.